GIA by name, it is an American company. It's a Gemological Institute of America. We are over 80 years old company, founded in 1931. We are not for profit organization. We are into research of gemstones, where we find out which diamond or which gemstone is synthetic or natural, because it is very important that consumer who is buying should buy the natural diamond. That is what our belief is. We also find out whether the diamond or gemstone is treated or not. So people, the manufacturers or the the trade people send the diamond or gemstones to us for the grading to say that how is it. Being a technological person and the organization, we invest heavily into research, then grade diamonds and gemstones. We are present in 14 locations across the world, and we are also into GIA is also into education of gemology like diamond, colored stone, pearls, education. There are many people from you name some of the leading retailers of Hyderabad. They are from GIA. They have done their education of gemology from GIA US. Now we have brought the education to Mumbai, and our mission is to bring or ensure public trust in gemology. And we would like to reach out to the trade, to the customers with the right knowledge. So we are proud to be partner of this show and as a knowledge partner, where we will be bringing a lot of seminars, which is a free seminar for any customer who is there. They can come, register, walk in and sit through the 1 hour seminar during the show and come to know how to understand a diamond, how to see a diamond, what diamond is all about. Yeah, what are the different features, and the gemstone they are buying, how to look at that, how to take care of that, and if they fancy ruby, if they fancy sapphire, if they fancy emerald, not mentioning diamond, that diamond is one of the biggest Indian trade right now. Yeah, so what we are talking is that a consumer should come and look at it, listen from us, and understand diamond and gemstone from the perspective of knowing it. And we are proud to be partner of this show. And I am sure this kind of show will help us to reach out customers, and this kind of shows will actually help customers to understand more and more things about this industry. Of course, the trade is bringing a lot of collection. People love diamond, people love jewelry, people love gemstones, and we would like to be near to them and see that what we can do to see that their trust in this industry and these gemstones are taken care of.